Hi, I'm Olly and I'm an apprentice at CAV Systems. I started last year in November 2022. I had a short-term apprenticeship last year, but I would consider this as my first real job. I work on the punch machine, and that involves cutting out the titanium and then punching it up into panels and then juggling it. I've always wanted to choose an apprenticeship because I think it best suits me because it's working with your hands. Keith and Richie have been helpful on the punch machine, and all the rest of the team down here have been helpful as well. The most important thing I've learned so far is to keep concentration. I'm looking forward to finishing my apprenticeship and learning other things. I think it's a good decision to make, and I seem to enjoy it, and I think it's a good thing to be involved in. My future plans are to finish my apprenticeship and go on to level 3 manufacturing and engineering. The thing that I enjoy the most about my apprenticeship is the people that I work with. The team I work with have been very helpful, and I enjoy working for them all.